Good morning, everybody. Hey, you're looking at one of the best crate engine builders out there. Let me ask you a question. What other company do you know that shows you each and every engine dynoed on their dyno? I don't think too many. Why? Because we ain't afraid to show you how our engines run. We custom build each and every engine to order. I am hands-on on every single build. I am very meticulous. I am like one of these perfectionists. I like things of beauty, inside and out. I ask for the bearings I want in my engines. I pay extra for them because I believe I want quality throughout. Even my rocker studs are 7/16 throughout, even though all these small blocks call for a 3/8. Not my style. I want I want Moly Chrome push rods in all my engines. I don't think most guys are doing that either. I want quality parts in my engines. And that's what you get here at Proformance Unlimited. So again, you want to join the family and get in line? I'll build you one badass engine that will stand the test of time and performance. Peace. Have a great weekend. Good morning, Jagger. I got your 68 Ford Mustang engine here on the dyno. Happens to be one of our beautiful 408 Windsor Strokers EFI. Gonna fire it up, give you a run demo.